I am so excited to show this final set of curtains to you. It's for the master bedroom. When I found these, I just flipped over them, and I'm telling you, they are so beautiful. If you look here kind of closely, there's like this beautiful raised pattern and then all this embroidery. And of course, the colors in this room are going to be incredible. And then it goes down to a little bit more. And then, oh my goodness, look at that gorgeous, gorgeous like lace pattern on the end there with the vivid gold and just enough brown in it, I think, to give it a richness. I absolutely love these. Now, obviously, they're not intended to block anything. They're just going to be beautiful. I've got these blinds to give privacy. So I cannot wait to get these hung. Bill has worked hard to put this rod up at a good level, and let's show this to you.
There you go, dear one.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, they are absolutely beautiful. Now, these blinds are two different colors because one's kind of a new one and the other one's the really old one. This one on this side has been having trouble pulling up evenly. It's kind of driving me nuts, so I'm going to be replacing it so they'll both be the same color, which I think is going to be good. But oh, these are just so pretty. I am thrilled. Oh my goodness. it's just gonna complete this room. I'll kind of show you everything, but it's just gonna complete this room in the most beautiful way. And like I said, the privacy comes from the blinds. So I'm thrilled. Yeah, that looks good.
How's that?
Yeah, that's nice, isn't it? Thank you for measuring it so carefully. I appreciate that. Something that I have not had an opportunity to show you yet is this little, well, it's kind of a chime. And it's so sparkly and pretty, and I had a hook in the ceiling, and that just adds such a lovely little touch. Let me get closer. It's just quite beautiful. They're prisms. So when the direct light shines on it, it makes rainbows. Okay. Let's just scan the room. We have the little beautiful houses here with the gold frame, and like Thomas Kincaid. And the first piece I ever got from an antique store was this mirror. And then we go across. And then there's a chair here with a little table that I got, and I can sit there and read my Bible, put on my shoes. It is just honestly peaceful and lovely in here to me. Gorgeous curtain. Oh my goodness. I got this little cardboard jewelry box. In a little antique store near here. I might have shown it to you before. It didn't cost much of anything, but just a beautiful little cardboard box. There's the flower I wore in my hair when we were doing our Hawaiian thing. The vase is from Israel. The perfume is White Shoulders. That's what my mom always wore, and I got that when she died. That was hers. This is my office, and I wanted to show you both the beds are nicely made now, all ready for any company that might come. I love how that soft green kind of offsets all of the beautiful sunrise colors in here, all the sunset colors. I like the bunk beds. I'm very happy with them. In the dining room, on top of Grammy's china cabinet, I now have a plant, and these two carvings of the men on horses were carved by Bill's great grandfather, Jacobus Oleschleer. I think it's wonderful that you all just seem to enjoy having a chance for me to be able to share with you some of the ideas that I've been able to do as I'm kind of getting this house settled. I really am loving it here, and I just appreciate you joining in. And so beauty is a good, peaceful thing to me. All right, well, this is Elizabeth, and just live simple, live free. I love you guys, and we will see you soon. Be blessed. Okay, bye-bye.